Albatrosses and seagulls are both seabirds, but they're quite different when you look closely. Let's break it down. First, albatrosses have an enormous wingspan, up to 11 feet. They're built for gliding across long distances over the open ocean. Seagulls, they're much smaller, with a wingspan of about 3 to 4 feet. They're more agile, making them perfect for quick movements along coasts and even urban areas. Albatrosses are masters of soaring. They barely flap their wings, using the wind to stay in the air for hours or even days. Seagulls, on the other hand, flap their wings much more often, allowing them to maneuver quickly, especially when scavenging for food. Albatrosses spend most of their lives far out at sea. They only return to land to mate and raise their chicks. Seagulls are everywhere from coastlines to cities. They're expert scavengers and will eat just about anything, including your lunch. Albatrosses live much longer, up to 50 years, in the wild, which is pretty impressive. Seagulls are highly social and often seen in large groups. They're bold, competitive, and not afraid to steal food from humans. While albatrosses are built for endurance and isolation, seagulls thrive on adaptability and social interaction. So which bird are you more like? Let me know in the comments.